If you are doing any of these tasks manually, you are losing time and money every single week. There is a tool that handles all of this automatically. It is called Make.com. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to use it. So what is automation? Think of it like hiring a silent employee who never sleeps, never makes mistakes, and works 24 hours a day. Make.com is the platform that lets you build that employee without writing a single line of code. Every automation in Make.com works the same way. It starts with a trigger, something happens. Then Make does something in response. That is it. For example, someone fills out a form. That is the trigger. Make automatically sends them an email and adds them to a spreadsheet. Those are the actions. You set it up once, it runs forever. You never have to think about it again. Let me show you 5 real use cases that any business owner can set up right now. Use case 1, lead capture. Every time someone fills out your contact form, Make automatically adds them to your CRM and sends a welcome email. You never touch it. Use case 2, content intelligence. Make scrapes the top performing posts on TikTok and Instagram daily, analyzes them with GPT-4, and saves the insights to your Notion. Every morning, your research is already done. Use case 3, invoicing. When a project is marked complete in your project manager, Make generates an invoice and emails it to your client automatically. Use case 4, team notifications. Any form submission, new order, or payment instantly pings your team in Slack. No more checking 5 different tabs. Use case 5, appointment reminders. When someone books a call on your calendar, Make sends them a reminder email the day before and an hour before. Your no-show rate drops immediately. Now the best part. Make.com has a free plan that gives you 1,000 operations per month. That is enough to run several automations and save yourself 10 or more hours every week for free. You do not need to be technical. You do not need to know how to code. If you can drag and drop, you can build automations in Make.com. In the next video, I'm going to build one of these automations live from scratch so you can follow along step by step. Make sure you follow so you do not miss it. And if this was helpful, share it with a business owner who is still doing everything manually.